I remember too, I was going to a Christmas Eve service and I couldn't even walk from the church to my car. My legs hurt so bad. My
Oh,
arms hurt so
horrible.
bad. I wanted to crawl. I wanted to cry. It hurt so bad.
Well, so now get up and do some jumping jacks. Let's see how you no, I'm kidding.
Yeah. Well,
Plus a
you want
lot
me
of
to?
the only people who'd see this is the one who's watching on YouTube. The other ones aren't gonna see it.
Yeah. I can do some push-ups.
That's right.
But yeah, yeah, I can lift weights, full weights again. Well, even when I started to lift weights, it was 20 pounders. I could barely lift. And
Yeah,
now I'm full on lifting
that's
weights again.
that is so wonderful. It really I was so glad when we finally contacted again here just recently, and you told me that your pain was finally gone, and you said it was just down to that arm, that finger. It's
I
time to
just
put
want to
you on a podcast.
I'm telling you what, I wake up every morning and I'm so happy. I'm just like, "Oh, thank you, Lord," because it
Yeah,
was so brutal.
yeah,
I'm like, "Oh, this feels so good. I can move around."
yep, and so really it all cleared up within a year.
Yeah, I started this journey almost January 1st,
Yeah,
and
see,
it was October. I was 255 this time last year. Now I'm 210, and I want to get down. I think I'm going to shoot for 195,
and you're
6'1".
6'1". Yeah, I can look at that. They've got the ideal, but you'll know what you feel good at.
There's still a little flab there. I want to just get rid of all of it.
There's no reason
I
not
mean,
to.
it's a huge difference. 45 pounds it's funny because I have a 45-pound weight that I work out with, and
Yeah,
I think that's heavy. I
yeah,
was carrying that around with me
yeah.
everywhere I went, that extra weight.
And besides that, you're talking about exercising. It's great to do resistance training and build muscle. I'm all for
Yeah.
working out, but that's not where you lose your weight because
No.
when you're working out, your body's taking a lot of energy. So it's going to take the
Mhm.
energy from the least resistance, which means glucose already in the blood. Then you've got like 2,400 calories of glucose stores, which isn't very much. 2,400 calories, that's all the stores you have in your entire body of glucose, to where 1 pound of fat has 4,000 calories in it. 1 pound. So if you're
Wow.
10 pounds overweight, that means you're 40,000 pounds or 40,000 calories overweight is what you're doing.
Wow.
And again, it's not a calorie thing because as you keep the insulin low, as we've talked
Yep.
about, keep the insulin low, and that's going to help burn that out. But if
Yep.
you're working out, if you've got a good, hard 1 hour resistance training power lift, you may burn 400 to 800 calories is all you're going to get. Do you walk a lot? Do you move around
Every
a lot?
night. Yeah,
Good.
my daughter and my dog and I go for a walk every night. My youngest
That is
daughter.
being outside and watching the sun come up and watching the sun go down set your circadian rhythm. I mean, that one little thing helps so much. That helps getting your
Mhm.
cortisol stimulated in the morning to help you get up out of bed and give you energy, and then shuts that off at night so your melatonin kicks on and can get you to sleep. People
Yeah.
taking all this melatonin, that's screwing everybody up too. Our body automatically makes about 1 milligram of melatonin. And now they're going to prescribing 5 and 10 milligrams, 10 times the amount that you would ever need. And it's messing everybody up too. And all you got to do just let your body do what it does. Get out, watch the sun come up, watch the sun go down, work out in the mornings. There's all kinds of things you can do where you don't
Yeah.
have to take any of that stuff and sleep really well.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm absolutely thrilled. This is the best I felt in a long time, and yeah.
So where are you going to go now? What's your next? Do you have another goal, or you say you're going to try to get down to 185? You think
195, I think.
195?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's about 15 more. Yeah, I've plateaued a little bit for some reason at 210.
I can tell you exactly why that is, and that's good. That when you plateau, because you're resetting everything, you're resetting your metabolism. When you plateau, that means you're resetting your body weight set point. Like when you're high, when you're heavier, like 245, you always knew about where you were. It was like
Yeah.
240, 250. You
Yeah.
all just fluctuate around that.